Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Outlook to Microsoft OneDrive for file backups. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open Outlook on your computer. Once Outlook is open, look for the File tab in the top left corner. Click on the File tab to access the menu. From the options on the left, select Options. In the Outlook Options window, locate the Advanced section. Scroll down until you find the Export category. Click on Export to open the Import and Export wizard. In the wizard, select Export to a file and click Next. Choose Microsoft Outlook Data File .pst and click Next. Select the email account or folder you wish to back up. Make sure to include subfolders if needed. Click Next to proceed. Now, choose a location on your computer for the backup file. Remember this location, as you will need it later. Click Finish to complete the export process. Open your web browser and navigate to the OneDrive website. Sign in to your Microsoft account. Once logged in, click on the Upload button. Select Files from the drop-down menu. Navigate to the location where you saved the PST file. Select the file and click Open to upload it to OneDrive. The upload process will begin, displaying a progress bar. Wait for the upload to finish. Once complete, your Outlook backup file is now safely in OneDrive. You can access this file anytime from any device connected to your OneDrive account. For added security, consider enabling file versioning in OneDrive settings. This way, you can restore previous versions of your backed up file if needed. Congratulations, you have successfully connected Outlook to OneDrive for file backups. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.